Hi guys, welcome. Excuse me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanoa, and if you're new here, hi. So I've had these box braids in for about 7 weeks now. That's almost 2 months. 2 months would be next week. And I'm tired. I'm sick of it. They've been in for too long. Like, look at, you see all my new growth and stuff? Like, you can't even see the parts anymore, and it just looks bad. It looks bad. Like, I've already cut them, and once I cut my braids, that's it. I'm done. I want them out. Like, I'm just done. I'm ready for them to be out. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, but first I'm just gonna go ahead and try to cut out these right here, the parts that are out, to make it a little bit easier on myself, because I don't want to be here all night. It's already like, it's 9:40. I'm tired. I haven't ate anything, so I'm probably gonna be eating in this video, and I'm just tired. I want to go to sleep. My eyes are red. If my eyes are red, that means I'm tired. Okay, so I'm just ready to be done. We'll see how long this takes, but I'm gonna try to rush. I'm so excited to take them out. Hold on, let me do this off camera first. I know I probably look horrible right now, but I just want these braids out. Like, I'm tired of having them in. I want to see my hair. I want to see the curls. I want all of it. But I'm kind of scared because, like, I'm just so busy with school right now. I have so much stuff that I'm doing currently, and it's a lot right now. So I just hope that I have the time to actually do my hair until my next, like, protective style, which I don't think will be for a long time. But hopefully I have the time to do my hair, and it's not like just another stressor in my life, because honestly, I don't need that right now. I do not need that right now. School is kind of kicking me in the butt right now, and I'm not here for it. I am not here for it. Let me see. Is it just me, or every time I take my hair out after not having it in for a long time, I always think that my hair is like down here, but it's literally right. Okay. I mean, I thought it was gonna be right here, but I'll take it. Whatever. The thing about taking my hair out too is I always like just kind of get, I don't know, like worried that people are gonna stick their hands up in my hair, because I've had that before. Like wearing my hair out, nice twist out and everything, or a puff. Oh my goodness, let me tell y'all, once I have a puff in, I don't want nobody touching my hair. I don't want no grubby little fingers in my hair. Like, no, just look at it. It's cute and everything. Just look. Don't be touching my hair. Like, I don't want my puff to be lopsided. I hate when people touch my hair, but like, especially when I have a puff in, that is a big pet peeve of mine. Like, please do not touch my hair. Please do not stick your grubby little fingers in my hair. Like, I remember this one time, I didn't have a puff at the time, and it wasn't no people. It was more, right? If you know, you know. But yeah, I had a twist out, and my hair was looking good and fresh and clean, and just, it was looking good. And they liked it, obviously. And they're like, oh my goodness, I love your hair, blah, 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 blah. And before like I could say anything, all I see is them like reaching their hands up in my hair. I'm like, what? Like whenever I'm in that type of situation, like I personally, I don't know what to do. Like I honestly, my body stops functioning, my brain just freezes. Like I just freeze as a person, as a whole being, because what do you do in that moment? Like I'm not the type of person that will like yell at people and just like immediately snap. But it's like whenever I'm in that moment, I just freeze. Like I don't know how to describe it. I don't know what else to do. I just freeze until they take their hands out my hair, and then I proceed with what I was gonna do or say. But yeah, every time I'm in the process of taking my hair out, I always get just a little scared that I'm gonna have to deal with people sticking their nasty little hands in my crown, and I am just not okay with that. I don't know any black person I don't know any black person who likes when people just be touching their hair. Like, why would you? You know how many hours it took me to do my hair? Do you know how long I stood in the mirror to do my hair? Like, you have no idea. Like, please, don't be touching it. Don't be messing it up. Don't. Just don't do that. Like, okay, I'm getting there. I could have sworn my hair was longer though. I forgot I cut it. It's 11:59. It's been what? I started at 9:40. 2 hours. It's been 2 hours, and this is how much I've gotten done. I'm so tired, you guys, but I have to get this done. It is 1:18. We're just gonna round down to 1:20. So it took me almost 3.5 hours to take it out. No, I don't want to go through that again. Like, it's too much. And now I don't know how I'm gonna do my hair for tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is how much hair came off my head. Hold on. There's some more on the floor, but all of this, oh my goodness. Whee! Okay. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with my hair, but I'm gonna figure it out. Maybe, I don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video.
So yeah, I never actually washed my hair, but instead I just kept it in that bun that you're seeing right now for like almost 3 weeks, and that's how my hair had been. Like, it's so dirty, and let me tell y'all, it was so itchy too. Like, it's actually really bad, but I just got so busy, and like I just did not have no time to do my hair, or motivation, dare I say, too. I have no motivation to do it because I knew that if I took it out the bun, I would have to do it, and I just did not have time to do my hair. So I literally decided to just do this bentonite clay mask to kind of like just clarify my hair and just start off on a clean slate and just clean it, honestly, because it was so dirty. Even when I got in the shower after, like, y'all, it was so dirty. Like, it was really bad. So yeah, I'm not doing that again. Hopefully not. My hair was tangled, but after like spraying it with water and all the product that I had a whole lot of product buildup. So spraying it with the water kind of like helped to like dissolve the product, and which kind of made it kind of easy to like detangle my hair. So my hair wasn't that matted and I didn't lose that much hair either. But still, I'm not doing that again. But I know y'all see my hair clumping up too. Like my hair looks good. Yeah, I need to do a wash and go pretty soon. I really want to do one. I haven't done one in like years. But anyways, y'all, like yeah, my hair was really bad. So, yeah, I just came up on here to like just kind of tell y'all that. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.